2019, and this is the question from AC circuit, right? In this, they said a coil in series means there is a coil. Coil means the combination of R and L, right? In series with 8 ohm resistor means this resistor is 8 ohm, is connected across a 100 volt. Voltage is how much given? 100 volt single phase AC supply. The voltage drop across the coil is 45 volt. Means voltage drop across coil. Coil is RL. So can we say that VRL is equal to how much? 45 volt, because they said coil. Coil is the combination of R and L, right? And that across the resistor is 80 volt, means voltage drop across resistor is 80 volt, that is denoted by VR, correct? Now the set frequency is also 50 hertz. Determine the R and L of the coil, means we need to calculate R and L. Okay. See, in this they said a coil in series with the 8 ohm resistor. So there is a coil and like this. That coil is connected in series with the 8 ohm resistor. Okay, I'm drawing this diagram like again. I thought they are talking about the coil only. See, I'm reading this question again. They said a coil means the combination of R and L, right? Is connected with an 8 ohm resistor. Again, this the coil is connected with the 8 ohm resistor, and this whole supply is connected with the 100 volt, 50 hertz, right? So the voltage drop across coil, this one coil is VRL is equal to 45 volt. This one is the coil, and across the resistor is 80 volt, means the voltage drop across this resistor is how much? 80 volt, correct? Now see, in this they said determine the R and L, means we need to calculate this R value and L value, and the total power consumed, power formula, power we need to calculate and draw the phasor diagram. So our focus is to calculate R and L. They have given VR, so can we say that VR is equal to I into R, right? According to Ohm's law, VR is 80 volt, current we don't know, R is 8 ohm. Can we get current through this? Current is how much did we get it? That is 10 ampere, correct? So current is how much? 10 ampere. And another thing they have given VRL. VRL is equal to 45 volts. So VRL is how much? VRL is equal to I into ZRL, correct? They are talking about the coil. So VRL we know that is 45. Current we know that is 10. Now we'll get the value of ZRL, correct? ZRL is equal to 4.5 ohm. So we'll get one equation from here, that is root of R square plus XL square for the coil is 4.5, correct? Now see what they have given. They have given us the total voltage also 100 volt. So can we get the voltage across inductor? Because as you know that this resistance and this resistance, can we combine it like this? Two resistance. So its voltage is VRL voltage is 45 volt. VR voltage is how much? 80 volt, right? And the total voltage is how much? 100 volt, correct? So as you know, according to the voltage triangle, this is VR, this is VL, this is total voltage. So total voltage is equal to root of VR square plus VL square, right? Okay. So V is the 100 volt over here. VR is given. So from this, can we get VL only? After getting the VL value, VL is equal to I into XL, correct? I we know that is 10 ampere, VL we have calculated from here. Can we get XL? After getting XL, frequency is given. Can we get L? And after getting L? if we'll put it in this equation, root of r square plus xl square under the root, can we get r value? Because xl we know, then we can get r, right? So now we got the value of r and l. Now next is total power consumed. Total power consumed is vi cos phi. C they have given 100 volt, current they have given 10 ampere, cos phi is r by z. Now we know the value of r and we know the value of z. Got it?